small, but it doesn't end small.
Drugs can damage your heart, kidney, and liver, and sometimes beyond repair.
They steal your smile, causing cavities, gum, disease, and more.
They do not just hurt your mood, they mess with your mind.
Anxiety, depression, isolation is not a way out, it's a trap.
And before you know it, you are not using drugs, they are using you.
But here is the truth. Prevention works, recovery is real, and you are never alone.
Say no to drugs, yes to life.